This is a look at the Aeons End Kickstarter bonus items. So this is what came with the Kickstarter exclusive and extra items that you get with the Aeons End Legacy. So I got Rageborn and Prince of Gluttons, dividers for the stuff, and a deck of cards I'm going to open, which includes all the bonus spells and I guess gems and stuff. So let's see what's in there. So, and they say clearly these are not compatible with the Legacy campaign. So let's see here. We have some minion, spell, deal 4 damage. Let's see what else. A deck of turn order deck. I guess a special turn order deck. I don't know. Fleeting Vision. Deal 2 damage. Each player may reveal the top 2 cards. That's pretty cool. Actually, this thing I think is a pretty powerful card. Splinter Missile. Deal 4 damage. Any ally may discard a card in their hand. If they do, divide this damage however you choose among Nemesis and any number of minions. I guess it's okay to just deal 4 damage. I don't know about discarding a card for that. And then gain 2 Echo Stones. I think I've seen other gems that are like that. And I guess that's it. So that's all the Kickstarter exclusive and promos. Not a huge amount. I kind of wish they would have given a little bit more extra stuff that wasn't in the expansion. But there you have it. That is the Aeons End Legacy Kickstarter exclusive items.